Your shoulder feels different all day. So you keep checking it, you test it, you move it, you analyze every sensation. And over time, that starts to feel exhausting. I'm a shoulder specialist who helps people make sense of recovery when it starts to feel uncertain. One thing I want you to understand early is this: constantly monitoring your shoulder can actually make recovery feel harder than it is. Not sure if your recovery is on track or if you might be setting yourself back? Download the free shoulder recovery guide linked below in the description. Because the more often you check it, the more signals you notice, and not all of those signals mean something is wrong. After surgery, your shoulder is going to feel different throughout the day. That's normal. It may feel stiff in the morning, looser later, or more sensitive after activity. If you check it every time something changes, you start to build a habit of scanning for problems, and that habit creates doubt. Instead of seeing progress over time, you start reacting to moments. A small ache feels important. A slight tightness feels like a setback. But in most cases, those moment to moment changes are just part of how healing tissues behave. They don't follow a straight line. What makes this more difficult is that your brain starts linking attention with importance. So, the more you focus on your shoulder, the more intense and noticeable everything feels. Not because the shoulder is getting worse, but because your awareness is turned all the way up. This is where people often lose confidence. Not because recovery has actually stalled, but because they no longer trust what they're feeling. A more helpful way to look at this is zooming out. Instead of asking, "How does my shoulder feel right now?" you shift to, "How has my shoulder been doing over the past few days?" That change alone reduces a lot of unnecessary stress because recovery is not built on single moments, it's built on patterns over time. And when you stop checking constantly, you give yourself space to see those patterns more clearly. The free guide will help you understand your recovery a little better. And if you're looking for a more structured way to actually navigate it step by step, that's what the shoulder recovery method is there for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.